Plant FAQs, Philodendron tripartitum. Philodendron tripartitum, unraveling the secrets of the three-lobed wonder. Hi there, Ferbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the Philodendron tripartitum. This unique climbing aroid boasts stunning, three-lobed leaves and thrives in the right indoor environment. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Philodendron tripartitum. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How much light does a Philodendron tripartitum need? Unlike its sun-worshipping cousins, the Philodendron tripartitum hails from the dappled shade of the rainforest floor. It flourishes in bright, indirect light. Think of it basking in the gentle morning sun filtering through leaves. Direct sunlight can scorch the delicate foliage, so avoid south-facing windows. Can it survive in low-light conditions? While it tolerates lower light, your Philodendron tripartitum might become leggy, with sparse leaves reaching for the faintest light source. If your home lacks bright indirect light, consider supplementing with grow lights to mimic its natural habitat. Tip: rotate your plant regularly to ensure even growth on all sides. How often should I water my Philodendron tripartitum? The key to watering this beauty lies in finding the balance between a moist and soggy environment. Overwatering is a recipe for root rot, the bane of any houseplant parent. Here's my approach. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's watering time. Water deeply until excess water drains from the pot's drainage holes. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Does it have specific water needs? Using filtered or rainwater is ideal, especially if your tap water is laden with minerals that can build up in the soil over time. Tip: during winter months, when growth slows, reduce watering frequency. What kind of soil is best for Philodendron tripartitum? A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for aroid mix specifically formulated for these plants, or create your own by combining equal parts. Perlite for drainage, orchid bark for aeration, cocoa coir for moisture retention. Potting soil. Does it need repotting? As your Philodendron tripartitum flourishes, it will eventually outgrow its pot. Signs like stunted growth and roots circling the pot's bottom indicate repotting time. Choose a pot that's just 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Tip: spring is the ideal season for repotting your Philodendron tripartitum. Does Philodendron tripartitum climb? Absolutely. In its natural habitat, it thrives by clinging to trees and other structures. Indoors, you can provide support for its aerial roots using a moss pole or a trellis. This encourages upward growth and adds a vertical element to your indoor jungle. How fast does it grow? With proper care, your Philodendron tripartitum can be a fast grower, especially in warm, humid environments. New leaves may unfurl every few weeks, rewarding you with its stunning foliage. Tip: regularly mist the leaves or use a pebble tray filled with water to increase humidity around your plant. Can I propagate Philodendron tripartitum? Absolutely. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Here's a simplified approach. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes, the bump where leaves emerge. Cut below a node at an angle. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining mix and keep it moist. Provide bright, indirect light and wait patiently. New roots and growth should appear in a few weeks. Tip: you can also propagate Philodendron tripartitum through leaf cuttings, but the success rate is lower. How does Philodendron tripartitum differ from other philodendrons? The most striking difference lies in the leaves. Unlike the heart-shaped or oval foliage of many philodendrons, the tripartitum boasts stunning, 3-lobed leaves. My Philodendron tripartitum leaves are drooping. This could indicate several things. Underwatering, the most common culprit. Check the soil moisture and water thoroughly if dry. Overwatering, less likely, but root rot can also cause drooping. If the soil feels soggy and emits a foul odor, repot immediately into fresh, well-draining mix after removing damaged roots. Lack of light. Move your plant to a brighter location with indirect sunlight. The leaves have brown spots. Leaf burn. Direct sunlight exposure can cause brown, scorched spots. Move the plant further from the window. Low humidity. Dry air can lead to brown, crispy edges on leaves. Increase humidity with a humidifier or pebble tray. Fungal disease. Less common, but fungal diseases can cause brown spots. Isolate the plant, remove affected leaves, and treat with a fungicide if necessary. My Philodendron tripartitum isn't growing. Insufficient light. Move the plant to a brighter location. Nutrient deficiency. Consider fertilizing during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer. Root bound. If the plant is pot bound, repot into a slightly larger pot with fresh potting mix. Tip: regularly inspect your Philodendron tripartitum for signs of pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Early detection and treatment with insecticidal soap or neem oil are crucial. Philodendron Barrisonum versus Tripartitum. A notable difference between these species lies in leaf width. Barrisonum showcases significantly broader leaves compared to Tripartitum, with each part of the leaf almost equal in width and length. Conclusion: cultivating a thriving Philodendron tripartitum. With a little TLC, your Philodendron tripartitum can become a stunning addition to your indoor space. Remember, it thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and moderate watering. By providing the right environment and care, you can witness the magic of its three-lobed leaves unfurl and create a lush, tropical oasis in your home.